Welcome back to the Mighty Machinery channel, home of all things heavy machinery and machinery fails. In this video, we'll be presenting unbelievable, modern, dangerous, homemade firewood processing machines that are at another level. Stay until the end to witness the Mighty Machinery team's most mind-blowing firewood processing machine. Let's kick things off with the HWP 140B firewood processor, redefining efficiency in cutting and splitting tasks, empowering solo operators with its user-friendly design, equipped with adjustable splitting heads and intuitive controls. This machine effortlessly handles 106 to 247 cubic feet of wood per hour, catering perfectly to commercial needs. Its mobile configuration offers the flexibility of on-site wood processing, conveniently facilitating direct loading into trucks and trailers for effortless transportation. Next, the screw wood splitter, which is a tool designed to efficiently split wood by driving a screw into the material and forcing it apart. Primarily used for splitting firewood or other wood types, this tool offers a straightforward operation that demands minimal effort from the user. By turning the screw handle, the device is driven into the wood, initiating the splitting action. To facilitate this process, some screw wood splinters may necessitate the use of a hammer or mallet to aid in driving the screw into the wood efficiently. Now, the Woodpecker RP300 chipper is specifically designed for efficiently processing wood by cutting and splitting tree trunks with a maximum diameter of up to 8 inches. To use the Woodpecker RP300 chipper, operators need to feed the tree trunks into the machine, taking care to adjust the length settings based on their requirements. The hydraulic feed rollers will then pull the wood in, and the chipper will cut and split the trunks efficiently. This chipper is ideal for woodworkers or companies involved in wood processing, offering a reliable and efficient solution for chipping and splitting wood with ease. But wait, there are even more homemade firewood processing machines coming your way. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below. You won't want to miss the next colossal machine that we'll be unveiling in our upcoming episodes, so stay tuned. Now, manual wood splitters are tools used for splitting logs into smaller pieces of firewood. They are typically operated by hand and do not require any external power source. Plus, manual wood splitters include a sharp blade or wedge for splitting the wood, a sturdy frame or base for stability, and a handle for applying force to split the wood. They are often compact and portable, making them easy to use in various locations. Using a manual wood splitter involves placing a log onto the splitter, positioning the blade or wedge at the desired splitting point, and then applying force to the handle to split the wood. This process may require some physical strength, depending on the size and hardness of the wood being split. At number 5, the pallet packing machine for firewood is specialized equipment to streamline the packaging process of firewood onto pallets. This machine is tailored to efficiently package firewood for storage, transportation, or sale, providing a convenient solution for businesses or individuals dealing with firewood products. One of the exciting features of the pallet packaging machine is its ability to automate the packaging process, saving time and effort for users, increasing productivity, and reducing manual labor. It's available with a tractor or electric motor drive and is the best solution for log packaging. The use process of the pallet packaging machine for firewood involves loading the firewood onto the machine, which will then automatically package the firewood onto pallets, according to the preset parameters. Once the firewood is packaged onto pallets, users can easily move the pallets for storage or transportation. Meet the Log Cut MCS40, which is meticulously crafted for professionals within the traditional firewood sector, catering to those seeking to optimize production efficiency while minimizing operating costs and labor requirements. With its innovative patented design, this machine is engineered to transform production sites, handling volumes ranging from 1,000 cords of firewood to several thousand cords annually. Operating at the final stage of the traditional firewood production process, it excels in resawing wood from 3-foot logs. Its ingenious multi-blade concept enables single-pass sawing, ensuring a consistent log output regardless of the desired length. With a remarkable capacity of up to 300 cuts per minute at 10 with systematic resizing, it can achieve a sawing rate of 10 cords per hour. The loading process, whether manual or automatic, is seamlessly managed by the Log Cut MCS40. Reference rollers positioned at the conveyor entrance ensure precise alignment and facilitate high loading rates. Subsequently, wood pusher cleats guide the logs to circular saws for shaping, ensuring efficient and precise processing at every stage. At the 7th spot, Croco Finland's log splitters are renowned for their exceptional quality and performance in the realm of log splitting for firewood. These log splitters come equipped with a robust hydraulic system that ensures swift and efficient log splitting, making the task of preparing firewood a breeze. The adjustable splitting wedge feature allows users to split logs of various sizes with ease, catering to different needs and requirements. When it comes to using a Croco Finland log splitter, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. To begin, place the log on the splitter's platform and adjust the log stop to secure it in place. Next, start the log splitter's engine and engage the hydraulic system to power up the equipment. Position the splitting wedge at the desired location on the log, ensuring it is set up correctly for optimal splitting. Once everything is in place, activate the hydraulic system to initiate the log splitting process, effortlessly transforming the log into firewood pieces. Repeat these steps for additional logs as needed, making the log splitting task a quick and efficient process. At number 8, the Narva stroke harvesters stand out as dependable and efficient harvester heads designed primarily for first thinnings. These versatile machines excel in harvesting pulpwood, energy wood, and firewood. For large-scale operations, the S25 stroke harvester, weighing 661 pounds and featuring a 3-foot stroke, is specifically tailored for excavator use. Installation is straightforward, requiring only the mounting of the cable on the crane boom and the placement of control buttons in the cabin. The push-button functions encompass cutting, tilting, delimbing stroke, and fast delimbing, ensuring intuitive operation for users. With each stroke measuring 2 feet, S25 epitomizes efficiency and reliability in forestry operations. Next up, post peelers, also known as peeling machines, serve the purpose of removing bark from stakes, making them indispensable tools in industry such as post-manufacturing, landscaping, and agriculture. While bark provides natural protection against insects and fungi, it also retains moisture, potentially leading to wood rot. By eliminating the bark, post peelers help prevent diseases and prolong the lifespan of stakes. Moreover, peeling stakes results in a smoother and more uniform appearance, particularly beneficial when stakes are visible and a clean, neat aesthetic is desired for fences. The RoboPeel 250, adaptable to tractors, stands out as a semi-automatic peeling machine with adjustable wood feed speed. With an efficiency ranging from 60 to 100 stakes per hour, it accommodates wood diameters from 2 to 10 inches. Equipped with a stake support, protective grid, and chip evacuation blower for trailer loading as standard, this machine offers hydraulic adjustment of peeling speed and pressure. Its convex disc with 6 resharpenable knives ensures high efficiency in peeling operations. At number 10, the Bull SPLT-25 Wood Splitter is a robust and powerful log splitter designed to tackle heavy-duty splitting tasks with ease. With a 25-ton splitting force, this machine is capable of handling large logs efficiently. The Bull Split 25 Wood Splitter has a 2-stage pump, which enables quick and efficient splitting of logs. This feature not only saves time, but also reduces the effort required to split wood, making the task less strenuous for the operator. The splitter's vertical and horizontal splitting capability adds versatility, allowing users to tackle logs of varying sizes and shapes with ease. To use the splitter, simply place the log on the splitter beam, engage the engine, and activate the hydraulic system to begin the splitting process. The machine's powerful splitting force will drive the wedge through the log, splitting it cleanly and efficiently. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey through the world of homemade firewood processing machines. If you're as amazed as we are by these incredible innovations, don't forget to subscribe to Mighty Machinery for more mind-blowing content on cutting-edge industrial technology. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Until next time, stay tuned and stay mighty.